Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to customize Google Form link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, let's navigate to Google Forms. You'll need to sign into your Google account to access your forms. Once you're signed in and looking at your Google Forms dashboard, find the form you want to customize. Next, you're going to send this form to yourself in a way. Look for and click on the Publish button at the top right corner of your screen and publish your form. Now, go ahead and click on the chain icon to bring up the shareable link of your form. Click on Copy Link to grab the URL of your form. This URL is what we're going to customize. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to formurl.com. This website will be our tool for customizing the link. Once the site loads, you'll see an option to start for free. Click on it to proceed without any need for registration up front. Once you're in, you'll find a field to paste your copied URL from Google Forms. Paste it here. Directly below, you'll see an option to type in your desired custom URL. After you've typed in your custom URL, hit Customize. The site will then work its magic, and you now have a personalized, more professional-looking link for your Google form. The final step is just to click on Copy next to your new custom URL to save it to your clipboard. You can now use this link in your emails, social media, or anywhere you'd like to share your form. It's that simple. And that's it. So that is how you can customize Google Form link. So that's all for this video. Thanks.